Now, there are so many AI tools out there, and one of the most prominent ones is Google Gemini. With Google Gemini, if you want to generate a video from any photo, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to generate a video from any photo in Google Gemini. For this, you need to install the Google Gemini app. It's available on the Play Store and App Store. Anyway, after that, open the Google Gemini app. When you're opening it, either here you can see the Create a Video option, or here you can see a Settings Like button. Click on that and select Create Video. When you select that, here you can see the Video button. After that, what you need to do is upload the image you want to turn into a video. For that, click on this plus button. If you want to upload a photo from your gallery, click on Gallery, or if you want to take a photo, click on Camera. Anyway, I'm selecting Gallery. After that, select the photo you want to turn into a video. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, click on this Add button, and here you need to give the prompt. For example, I'm giving a prompt like this, but if you're giving a prompt, what you need to do is explain as many things as possible. Anyway, after giving the prompt, click on the Send button. One thing is, here I've given a short prompt like this. But if you're giving a prompt, what you need to do is enter maximum details. When you enter maximum details, you'll get the result that was in your mind. Now here you can see a video has been generated from that photo. If you want to save this video, click on this, and here you can see the download button. Click on that download button, and when you do, the video will be downloaded. Or here you can see 3 dots. Click on those, and here you can see the Save Video option. When you click that, the video will be downloaded too. And if you want to share this video, click on this Share button. If you like this video, just click on the Like button. If you didn't like it, click on the Dislike button. When you do that, this AI will understand whether that was a good generation or not. One thing is, you don't need to upload photos from your gallery. You can also ask Google Gemini to generate a photo first, and then generate a video from that photo, like this. So, this way you can easily generate a video from any photo in Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.